Hello everyone, Melanie Morissette here with Abstract Fitness. I want we stretch your neck. Do you remember the last video? We were using the Theracane and I showed you how to use it to release some tension at your neck to release pain. Now we need to stretch. So once you have released the tension in your neck, you need to stretch and then we can strengthen the neck. And I'm going to show you all that. I'm a certified personal trainer, but also a corrective exercise specialist. So I help people with muscle and joint pain, but also specialize with seniors, osteoporosis, cancer survivors, and Parkinson's disease. And I teach different classes as well online and in person, yoga, Pilates, group fitness. So I want you to grab a chair if you want, or you can stay right here upright because we spend already so much time seated, or you can sit on a yoga mat. You choose where you want to be. I'm going to stay right here. I want to stand, and I'm going to bring my right ear above my right shoulder. Shoulders are always down and back. You should feel the stretch right here on the left side of your neck. I have options for you. You can bring your left arm out. Show me the palm of your hand. Optional again to use the weight of your right hand on your head. So now you're looking straight ahead at me. Do you feel the stretch right here in your neck? Are you still breathing? Whoops. There we go. Try to start your breath from the stomach. So I'm going to try to stay here for 30 seconds. I might not do it with you, but you're welcome to do it on your own. I just want to give you some tools here to do it when you're at home. And then I'm going to turn my head to look down towards the right armpit. My arms are still the same. If it's too much, please release your arms. Do you feel that? The neck now, the stretch is going a little bit more towards the back. And then I'm going to turn my head to look slightly up at the sky to the left. That's your upper traps. Anytime again, you can release your arms. And slowly release. And let's do the other side, same thing. So bring your left ear above your left shoulder. I want you to release your shoulder. When we have tension, what do you think happens? Shoulders are up. And then you're welcome to bring your right hand right here. And the other option, to bring your left hand on your head. So look straight ahead for now and feel the stretch. I want you to feel the difference between both sides. There's always one tighter than the other. Again, keep breathing. And then we're going to look down towards the armpit. So if you know someone that spends a lot of time behind a desk, doing a lot of computer, send them this little video. It's going to help them. They can take a little break from the desk and do it. And then slowly look up at the sky to the right. For me, this is where I feel it the most. Good. And you're going to slowly release. Now, another one that I really like, if you use bifocal classes to look or to read, sometimes you need to do that. So what happened is the neck at the back is tight, and this is overstretched. So you can stretch it by looking down and feel the stretch behind your neck. Another way to add more intensity, interlace your fingers, use the weight of your hands right here behind your head, elbows very close to your head. So don't push down, just use the weight of your hands. Good, and slowly release. Okay, now we're gonna work on your neck. We're gonna try to strengthen your neck. My first exercise will be the chin tuck. It's hard for people sometimes to understand this one because they're gonna do that. What I want you to do, and I'm gonna turn sideways for you to see better, I want you to push your neck back to have a double chin, okay? So I'm moving my head horizontal. So shoulders down and back, move back. Inhale, Exhale, move back. So what you're doing here, you are lengthening the back of your neck, contracting the front. This is so good to improve posture because look at that. I'm bringing my ears in line with my shoulders. Okay? So if you spend a lot of time at the desk, this is what I see. So pot neck. Okay? So I need to correct that. Okay? There we go. Another one, and I really like, I want you to keep your movement side to side. I see a lot of seniors when they drive, they don't look beside if there's a bicycle, they don't do their shoulder check. It's important to keep the range of motion in your neck. So I want you to, again, stand nice and tall or sit nice and tall, and you're going to turn your head each way. Listen to the limit of your neck. Good. And go slow. If you go too quick, you might injure your neck. Trust me, we don't want that because you're going to need my help even more. Okay. So try to do maybe 10 total of them. I have a fly here around me. It's very annoying. Okay, fly, go away. Okay, and another one, I'm just going to mention it. I can do it. It's a headstand. Yes, you heard correctly. A headstand. I realize what my neck is painful. I have pain in my neck. I need to strengthen as well my neck. And my best way, because I know I can do it, it's a headstand. So if you can do it, go for it. Okay, against the wall, shoulders down and back. So you need to do that measurement right here. Pop, pop. Against the wall, you're welcome to do it. And you need to rest the top of your head, but you're not putting any pressure. The pressure is on your forearms. And slowly you're going to come up, up, up. And you're going to feel that you can lift slowly your legs and slowly come up, all the way up. Headstands are so good for the neck, but also for concentration. Focus. If you can hold it for 1 minute, 2 minutes, up to 15 minutes. Okay? Voila. I like having fun. Okay, so these were my little exercise for you to release some tension, but also pain in your neck. If you liked it, go on my website. You're going to have plenty of more videos on www.abstractfitness.ca. See you soon.